Welcome students. In the previous classes we had gone through with some trigonometric properties and identities and some formulas. Also we have done some conversions of the angles. Let's do some more questions. If I want to calculate sine 210 degree, then I can write it as sine 180 plus 30 degree, and this 180 is horizontal line. So if it is horizontal line, the function won't change, so it will become sine 30 degree itself, but as it is the third quadrant it will become negative, so the angle will be minus sine 30 degree. The value will be minus root 3 by 2. Similarly, if I want to calculate cos 300 degree, I can calculate this in the two way, either cos 360 minus 60 degree or cos 270 plus 30 degree. If I follow 270, then it is a vertical line. Its vertical line, the function will change, so it will become sine. It is the fourth quadrant, and the fourth quadrant cos is positive, so sine 30 degree, that is equals to 1 by 2. But if I follow the previous one, sine 360 cos 360, then the function won't change as it is on horizontal line. और इसकी वैल्यू होगी मेरे पास cos 60, फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट में ही होगा, तो वैल्यू अगेन 1 by 2. तो हम किसी भी तरीके से करें, we will get the same values. Here we can easily find any of the angle of trigonometry from now onwards. So as promised, let's begin with our new topic, which is logarithm. Let me clear you why do we need the logarithm and what is the logarithm exactly means. Let's suppose there is a value y is equal to a ki power x. So if I want to find this value, then how can I find it? If I want to find that y is equals to 2 ki power 30, then how can I find it 2 ki power 30? Should I multiply 2 by 30 times? Definitely not. I'll not go. So in that case, we will use the logarithm. It will say that a ki power x is equals to y. Then we can say that log a y is equals to x. Try to understand, students, what I am doing here. A, the base, ki power x is equals to the y. It means a to the power x is equals to y. It means I can say that log 2 y is equals to 3. Then what is the value of y? The y is 2 की power 3. 2 की power 3, that is nothing but 8. y तो 8 होना चाहिए, तभी तो मेरे पास आएगा. यानी कि मैं कह सकता हूँ कि log 2 8 having value 3. log 2 4 is having value 2. log 3 81 is having value 4. So these are the values or interpretation of the logs where this is said to be a base. The base of the log is generally taken as 10. If it is written as log x, then it is understood that the base is 10. So in any of the case where the base is not given, we will take it as 10. So log 10x is equals to y, then we can say that 10 की power y is equals to x. But if any of the base is given, then we cannot manipulate or change it. हमारे लिए वो वैल्यू या बेस सेम रहेगा, and that is x is equals to 2 की power y. There are also some scenarios जहाँ पर मेरे पास बेस 2 10 की बजाय कुछ और भी हो सकता है. Let's suppose e. What is e? जैसे मेरे पास पाई होता था, उसकी वैल्यू होती थी 3.14. ऐसे ही मेरे पास e होता है जिसकी वैल्यू होती है 2.18. उसकी वैल्यू होती है 2.718. If it is log base e, then we can write it as ln. This is a short form ln, where the base is understood as base e. Say if somebody is written that ln x, it means log base ex. ln 10, it means log base e10. I think it's clear to you. Now, the very much important thing in the logarithm is their properties. These are some properties which you have gone through it. These are some properties which you need to go. log a m into n, अगर मेरे पास दो टर्म्स मल्टीप्लाई हो रही हैं then it will be written as log a x plus log a n. They will write as a sum. अगर दोनों टर्म्स मेरी डिवाइड हो रही हैं then log a m minus log a n. Similarly, अगर मेरे पास किसी के भी Similarly, the log of 1 is always 0, and if the base and this is same, it will be always 1. Let's take another example, log a x की power y, then this y will come in front of it. If it is log a b x की power y, then this y will come in front of it, and this b will come here in denominator. Let's suppose question is 8 9, so can I write it as log 2 की power 3 3 की power 2, the 2 will come, 3 will come denominator. और फिर इनकी वैल्यूज कैसे निकालेंगे, ये सारी वैल्यूज आपको दे रखी होंगी, हमें तो सिर्फ लॉग सॉल्व करना आना चाहिए. सो अगर मेरे को बोल रखा है log एक्स वाई, इट मीन्स log 10 एक्स वाई, इट मीन्स log 10 x plus log 10 y. One more important property is base changing property. The base changing property says that log ab is equals to log, अगर मेरे को कोई desired, let's suppose मेरे को base इसका 2 ही चाहिए, then ये ऊपर वाला ऊपर आएगा and नीचे वाला नीचे आएगा. Also there is another property, log ab is equals to 1 upon log ba. So these were some logarithm properties. We will do some examples over it. I'll provide you some assignment on this topic. So today we have discussed logarithm and the conversions of the trigonometric angles. That's it for the day. In the next lecture we will cover the graphical representations and calculus, which will be very helpful in the physics 11th class. Till then, please be in touch. Have a nice day.